Welcome to the Architect's Eye. In this video, I will share technical details about the doors we use every day that are rarely explained. Watching until the end will reveal hidden secrets and save your budget from costly mistakes. If you find this information valuable, please consider subscribing and liking the video to support more content like this. Enjoy the watch. Let's start with American panel doors. They are the ultimate budget-friendly choice, but you need to know what's inside. The frame consists of spruce or pine styles, filled with a paper honeycomb core. The surfaces are made of 3.2 millimeters HDF hot pressed onto the frame. Because of this light construction, sound insulation is very weak. They are highly prone to swelling from humidity and steam, and since the surface is thin, durability is limited. It's a low-cost solution, but a high-risk investment for the long term. Next, we have laminate doors. You'll mostly see these in high-traffic areas like offices, hospitals, and schools for a reason. They are built by pressing 0.60 millimeter laminate sheets onto an MDF base using high-performance polyurethane adhesive. But here is the professional's warning: you must insist on 6 millimeter MDF for both sides. If you use thinner MDF, the internal wooden frame will telegraph through, showing shadows on the surface and ruining that perfectly smooth look. Laminate is the most scratch-resistant surface available, making it the ultimate choice for long-term durability in busy environments. Now let's talk about membrane doors. They are stylish and highly popular in mass housing projects due to their aesthetic appeal and cost-effectiveness. These doors are created by vacuum pressing PVC foil onto MDF using a specialized balloon press. While they offer a smooth and homogeneous look, they come with significant warnings. They are extremely sensitive to moisture and steam. Even the slightest humidity can cause the vacuum-sealed foil to peel away. Additionally, prolonged exposure to sunlight leads to yellowing and color fading. Think twice before choosing them for long-term use. Finally, we reach the gold standard, lacquer doors. This is the top choice for architects and luxury projects. Since lacquer is a painted application, it offers limitless design freedom, allowing for any kind of custom patterns, decorative moldings, or recessed panels. However, the quality of the paint and, more importantly, the craftsmanship must be flawless. Poor application leads to surface bubbles, peeling, or color fading over time. To ensure a solid finish, the paint must cure for at least 72 hours. And here is the hidden industry secret: the edges must be sealed with paintable edge banding before lacquering. Without this, the joints between the MDF and the wooden frame will eventually crack, ruining the flawless look. This is how true quality is born. In this video, I've shared the full technical details of 4 different door types. So tell me, which one would be your choice? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. This was only part 1. A video for part 2, where I will explain the remaining door types, will be online very soon. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the like button. Your support is vital for the continuation of these videos. See you in the next one.